being in control of your capacity and managing it with a productive strategy. Capacity planning can be defined as the operational capacity of an organization. Maximize the workshop throughput with the same technicians. Your capacity is limited by your attended hours, so let's make them more productive. Concise visual work schedule with buffer control gets you in pole position. Let's drive the stress levels down for everyone when there is too much work in progress. Deliver expectations way ahead of your competitors. You're in it for the long haul. Working on the highest priority job first. Why would you work on anything else? Plus, it gets more jobs through. At a glance, see if you have the correct amount of technicians to your work capacity horizon. A clear, structured workday for technicians prevents frustration and burnout, or in this case, wipeout. Deadlines to meet. Front of house wants stability and their expectations rise. Happy and satisfied customers is the goal. They come back and tell others.